So we just finished the reading part. Now we're gonna start the speaking skills. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So the first question: can you name 12 months of the year?
The first is January.
Okay.
And then is February. Then March. Then April.
April.
April. And May.
Okay, very good.
And June.
June. Okay.
And July.
Okay.
And August.
August.
And September.
Good.
October.
Next one.
November.
And the last one.
And December.
Okay, excellent. Okay, the second question: how many days are there in a year?
There are 365 days in a year.
365 days in a
Yes.
year, right? Okay. What day is it today?
Today is Thursday and
Tuesday, right?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. February 23, 2021.
Yes.
Okay. When is your birthday?
My birthday is 23 October.
And the year?
And
Which year you was born?
I born in June
2000.
2000.
Let's speak again. Let's answer again. I was born.
I
Not
was born.
I born. Okay, so you, the mother, gave birth to you. So you should say I was born in
Yes,
2000.
I was born in 2000.
Okay.
Yes.
The next one. What is the month before September?
The month before September is October.
It seems like that one is behind after September.
Yes, before is the month before September is August.
Okay, correct. What is the shortest month of the year?
In my opinion, that is February.
Exactly. So the last question: how many years are there in a decade or century? How many years are there in a century?
10 years. 100 years.
Yeah, right. 100 years, not 10 years.